Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can access and change the URL of your WordPress site from a www to a non-www version. So let's get right into it. Now, pretty much all you need to do is change your website's URL, and pretty much you can just add or remove www as per your wishes. But pretty much what you need to do is, if you're on the WordPress site, you can do it through your dashboard. And the way you do this is you go into settings and go into general. Now, I myself am on the free plan of WordPress, so I do not have this option. As you'll see, I have no URL options over here because I'm on the free version, nor do I have a domain which I can connect. But if you do have an external hosting service, you might want to change the domain over there. If you can add the www, you can do so there. If you want to remove it, you might also be able to do it there. I'm not specifically sure on if that's possible for your hosting service, so just check it out for yourself. Now, an alternative method to this, if you can't access the URL settings here, or if you just want to do it in a different way, you can access the WordPress config file. Now, you can do this through hosting sites or hosting services such as cPanel. You just need to enter your admin and then go to the public HTML, then locate the WordPress config file, wp-config.php, then enter that, and then you should be able to locate your URL settings there. And once you find your URLs, you'll be able to change them. Just delete the www, and that should be pretty much it. And that's all there is to it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how to do this since I do not have the needed tools, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.